Hello, it's Wednesday, January 29, 2025, and this is not how I planned my day today. I was out running some errands in my Tiguan and got a coolant leak. Bad enough, it just dumped out the whole coolant system right here behind the hardware store where I was picking up chlorine. So had the missus come by, picked me up, went back home, got the Dolly, and we're gonna tow my Tiguan with her Tiguan and see how that goes. I'm not gonna go fast, that's for sure. All right, doing a little brake check here just to see how it performs. Not bad at 5 miles an hour. Well, that was a successful trip. My road is right up there left, so it's going to be interesting pulling into my yard since they've got some road work going on here. Going to make sure I have a little momentum going over the hump. Piece of cake.